This is a project management file from Calligra Plan. It's a free alternative to Microsoft Project. You can download the Calligra suite for free to view the Gantt charts. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the download. Don't close the guide if the plan file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high success rate method designed for deep format errors. A plan file is associated with both Calligra Plan, a project management application within the Calligra Office suite, and with FloorPlan, a home and landscape design software. In Calligra Plan, it stores project schedules, tasks, resources, and dependencies. In FloorPlan, it contains architectural designs, floor layouts, and landscaping plans, including object placement and property details. The internal structure of a plan file varies depending on the software. Calligra Plan likely uses an XML-based format to store project data, allowing for structured storage and easy parsing. FloorPlan may use a proprietary binary format optimized for storing graphical and spatial data efficiently, including vector graphics and object properties. Both formats are designed for application-specific data. For viewing and interaction, Plan is most commonly opened via Calligra Plan and FloorPlan from KDE and MC Design. Only a dedicated viewing tool can accurately confirm the integrity of the file's content. Windows can preview documents but lacks full editing power, requiring proper applications. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your plan file, then click Open With. Test Calligra Plan and FloorPlan if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If the plan file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Due to the specificity of the plan format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, use Calligra Plan. Open the file using Calligra Plan, the required application for the project management file. Next, check version. Ensure your Calligra Suite version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to PDF XML. Use the software's export function to save the project as a universal format like .pdf or .xml. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.